guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rituparna and as you have read from the title, today we are going Parivar Samet. Yes, Parivar Samet to Phuket, Thailand. I'm so excited for this trip because for the first time both the sides of the family are going together and it is really exciting for everyone. Actually, the Spain series is yet to come, so you guys don't really know that I've gotten married and this is a family kind of trip and stuff, but we're going to be doing some really exciting stuff. Today when we are leaving, it's the 26th, so happy Mahashivratri to all of you. 26th of Feb 2025. Yes, happy Mahashivratri to all of you. And currently it's 2 a.m. at night. We have a flight at 6:30 in the morning. We're waiting for our cabs to arrive and then we are all set to go to airport. Hey guys, so we are done with the immigration security check and everything. I didn't vlog the rasta per se while coming to the airport. But what's the plan of action? So we'll be going to Thailand for like 4.5 days, and though it's a family trip, but we have planned some really cool experiences and I just can't wait to get the trip started. It's right now currently 4:30 and our flight is in 2 hours. We are extremely sleepy, but nonetheless our spirits are high. So I'll see you next when we reach Thailand. We finally landed in Phuket, Thailand. We just collected our luggage and everything, done with immigrations. The queue was crazy, but you can understand Thailand is visa free for most countries. So yeah, we are now going to be going to a hotel. Unfortunately, my mother-in-law is not feeling her best, so we're just gonna go to the hotel, rest, and then see what we're gonna do.
Few moments later.
So we just got our van. So what we did was we were thinking of doing a Grab van over here because Grab is relatively cheaper than other transport options over here, but unfortunately we couldn't get a van. So now we have booked a van for 6 people. We've paid like 1400 rupees, and sorry, 1400 Thai baht, which is approximately 2800 3000 rupees, or maybe more, but it's really comfortable. We have the whole van to ourselves, and yeah, let's go to our hotel now.
1 hour later.
You guys, so we finally reached our hotel. It was a 1-hour journey from the airport, so be very mindful that you would be taking an hour at least to come to these areas of Patong, Kiron, and I think even the lower regions would take longer duration and stuff. So we just checked into our room and honestly it is really beautiful. We have a room with a balcony, which is quite a plus point, but unfortunately we're just on the 2nd floor, so we won't be getting the view of the beach or anything, but I'm gonna give you a quick room tour now. This is the entry door, and to my right is the wardrobe and to my left is the washroom. It's a very decent standard washroom. Oh, it has a bathtub also. Nice. And then when you exit, here is a study table, the TV unit, the bed, 2 side tables, my beautiful adorable husband, and a place to just sit over there. Completely forgot to mention, we are staying at the Marina Phuket Hotel at the Patong Beach, and it's quite a nice property and stuff. We've included breakfast in our tariff, so we won't be worrying about food in the morning at least. And now I'm going to take you to the balcony. Completely forgot to mention, there's also a mirror, so probably you can get ready over here, and it's quite a full-length mirror. Also, let me know if you can understand the reference for this t-shirt in the comments below. It's a funny joke though. But yeah, time to go to the balcony. This is the view. Honestly, I don't feel like stepping out right now because it's extremely hot, so probably tomorrow morning when it's nice and sunny I'll go out. So yeah, the costing and everything with respect to this hotel is in the description box below, so do check that out. I get a lot of questions regarding the hotels I booked, so please check out the description box because I mentioned the prices from where I booked and everything there, and also the prices fluctuate with the season. Currently, given the season, we've paid quite a lot for this hotel, but it's worth it because the market is bang on right opposite to our hotel and the beach is just like walking distance from here. So yeah, we're gonna chill, have some food now, and then I'll see you later.
A few moments later.
So it's been a while and we are still at our room just chilling because the travel just got us all tired and stuff, and we haven't slept properly actually. The only time I think I slept was on the flight, and maybe on a 3.5-hour flight or 4-hour flight I slept for like 1.5 hours, not more than that, or maybe 2. But aajkal I don't know why this popat stuff happens during trips especially. So we just ordered some food from this Indian restaurant and they were not on time for delivery and stuff, and then they said it'll take more time and more time and more time. So we finally decided to cancel that. I'm gonna eat something at the restaurant itself of the hotel. But honestly, the options aren't that great when it comes to vegetarian. There's some pizza and stuff, but you know, not a lot of options. Now we're just gonna be chilling, waiting for the food and stuff, and then let's see what's the plan of action. Most probably we would be getting all ready and all set and visit the Patong beach and also the nearby market and stuff just to chill. We don't want to exhaust ourselves because tomorrow our day tour starts very early and we need to wake up at around 5, I guess. So yeah, that's the plan of action. So I'll see you once the food arrives. Hey you guys, so it's been a while after we had our lunch and stuff. Sorry I didn't vlog our lunch. It was just some pizza and spring rolls, that's it. But now we are all ready to head out. Ignore all the pasara behind me because can't help it and stuff. But I'm wearing a very cute dress. This I wore on my Goa trip as well. So I really love this dress. And as you can see, this is the balcony. There's some condos right there. And this is the view. You see this side is the mountain view and stuff. And on the higher floors, I believe you will get the beach view. And on the top floor, there's the rooftop view, from where also you can get the sea view and stuff. So now the plan of action is to just walk to the beach and chill at the beach. That's all that we're going to do. We wanted to, you know, catch the sunset and stuff, but I think we're too late for that. Okay, let me come inside, otherwise all that noise. But yeah, that's the plan of action, and yeah, very excited for this. So let's head out. We were at the beach and we definitely came very late. The sun had already set, but mother-in-law is not feeling her best and we had to buy something from the pharmacy for her. And now we're just enjoying the nightlife of Phuket. As you can hear, there's music going on in the background. That's because we are at a club right now, but we are not really going to have anything over here because there are very limited veg options. So we just spotted an Indian restaurant here, so just waiting for the rest of the family to come, and then we're gonna eat some Indian food. Day 2 in Phuket, and today we are all set. It's currently 7 AM in the morning, and as you can see, we are ready. That's because we are going for a day tour to Maya Bay, Phi Islands, and I don't know what all. As always, I booked my tours through Get Your Guide. Earlier I used to book through Klook, but since the past few months I've been booking my tours through Get Your Guide because the options are endless, and so are the options at Klook as well. But I don't know, the reviews are more trustworthy and stuff, so that's why I've started using Get Your Guide. But yeah, we have a pickup plan at around 7:30 AM or 7:45 AM, so we have really less window to have breakfast. So before we head out, let's go and have breakfast. So we finally reached the pier. It was quite an eventful day. Family fun कैसे होता है? Thank God was a record day, but family fun क्या होता है? सुबह पता चला. But nonetheless, we actually missed our pickup, and a minivan had come to pick us up. But then we missed that, and then we booked our own cab, and it costed us a lot. But nonetheless, we are finally at the pier waiting for our boat to come, and yeah, let's see how the islands turn out.
Okay, because now when we stop here, the boat's gonna be shaking like this.
get a lot of options and it's buffet lunch. You can obviously spend yourself, sit at a restaurant. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my family and all to come. But honestly, the sun is very, very pretty. We haven't seen much of it because we are going to be leaving in the next 20 minutes. But definitely worth coming. Till now, the tour has been quite good and our boat captains are really, really nice. So yeah, Letio Guide did a very good job right there. The water is really blue and loving it. Have reached our last destination, and honestly this is not that pretty. You know, it is pretty but not that pretty, but the beach is really, really rocky and it's hitting our feet and stuff. But it has been so beautiful. Also, I don't remember the place where we are at, so you can just check it out right here somewhere on the box. Look at this. Guys, this is such a wholesome experience, honestly.